What's going on, guys? Time for a new video. I'm already picking up some parts for the SS. You know how the back bumper, the front bumper were missing. I picked up aftermarket SS bumper cover. I've been looking everywhere for the OEM back bumper cover, but man, I haven't had any luck. Everybody that has them, they want $450, $500 for just the bumper cover, not even with the top pad. And then some of them need body work. You know, I'm still gonna have to put fiberglass on them to fix them. So I picked up an aftermarket one out of fiberglass. You know, I found it for a good deal with the top pad, everything. Now I'm looking for the front bumper cover. I hit up Chewy from HAD Kids. Someone had told me that they had some, and yeah, I hit him up, and he said he does have it. So I'm about to be on my way right now to HAD Kids and pick up the front bumper cover. I'm gonna stop by the shop. I'm gonna take off the gas cap. The gas cap on the SS clone, and I'm gonna drop off the bumpers at the painter. My boy Chelo's gonna be color matching them for me, so I'll be doing that today, dropping them off with him, and hopefully I'll have them ready, you know, by the weekend. Right now it's Monday, but by the time I finish this video, you know, I don't really have too much to do today, so by the time I finish this video, I might upload it until maybe Sunday, I guess, so, or Saturday night. So hopefully by the weekend, by Saturday, once I have everything done, I'll upload this video on Saturday. But anyways, just keep watching, guys, and let's see how the truck's gonna look with the new bumpers on. Aquí tenemos ya el front bumper cover, guys. Big shout out to Chuy for having it in stock. Un saludo, Chuy. What's going on, guys? There you have it, guys. I picked up the front bumper already. The boy Chuy hooked it up. I probably wouldn't have found it any cheaper anywhere else. So got the bumpers. Now I'm gonna take off that gas cap so that my boy Chelo can match the color, the right color to the bumpers, and see how they come out. You know, I'm really excited to see the whole truck, you know, all one color. I mean, because I could put that bumper on for right now, and I could put the back bumper on, but they're gonna be different colors, and then to take them off again and get them repainted again. So I'd rather just get them painted de una vez and get my boy Chelo to install them, you know, line up with the lines, que no queden gaps and stuff like that, because I know if I put them on, I'll probably leave a gap somewhere and it's gonna bother me, and I'd rather not. I am looking for the bottom grill insert for the bumper. So if y'all know anybody that has one or that makes them, you know, I'm interested. I want it's the diamond one. I don't know. I think there's like two different ones that they make for those bumpers. The diamond pattern, so it can match the front grill. The front grill and the air ducts. I have the air ducts, but I just need the small grill that goes on the bumper. So if you have some, or anybody on here or knows somebody that has one and they want to get rid of it, you know, y'all could inbox me on Instagram, and you know, I'll gladly buy it off of y'all. Porque más no se pasen, because I know SS parts are expensive, pero like, you know, hook up for y'all's boy. Anyways, let's get to it. I'm gonna go pick up the gas cap, and then I'm gonna drop him off at Chelo's shop, and hopefully he get them done by the weekend. You know, I would like to have the truck at the pop-up meet for Sunday. Hopefully I'll have this video up by Saturday. That way y'all can see on Sunday. I'll have that's when we're hosting a pop-up meet with Jose Leo's FRC right there at the Volcan parking lot. It will be from 2 to 8 p.m. You know, DJ Cesar on the mix. Texas Elevado will be playing live. We have OBS Candy, Chollitas Miche Mix, Carnita Seca El Mani, Borracho Miche Mix, Chicano Barbecue, Ceviches El Más Buscado, Mariscos El Vaquero, Dulce Apache, López Micheladas, Michelada 76, Mariscos Las Gorras. You know, we'll be having a lot of vendors at our pop-up meet. You know, you're all more than welcome to stop by and have a good time with us, enjoy the live banda. You know, TX Elevado, Texas Elevado, they're young guys, you know, they're on the come up. They play really, really good. It's the same guys we had for our toy drive junto con Clave H3. You know, but these guys have been playing really good for us, and why not have them at one of our events again? I am gonna try to keep these pop-up meets coming at least once or twice a month. You know, it's just something for Sundays. You know, Sundays are the lazy Sundays, the boring Sundays. So something so we can have something to do, you know, all depending on how it goes this weekend, Sunday at the meet. But I am gonna try to have, like I said, once a month or twice a month, different locations. That way for the south side people to come over, the north side people to go to south side, or south side to come to north side. You know, on the east side or the west side, somewhere in northwest, like in Katy area or something. Let me go finish what I'm doing, and then we'll see how we'll go interview Chelo, see what he's got to say. So guys, it's Friday. This morning, Chelo called me and he texted me that the bumpers were ready. They're painted. So I went to the shop, finished up some little turbo parts that I had for a customer. And right now, it's about to be lunchtime, so I'm gonna head over to his shop, pick up the bumpers, and then go buy some little clips that I need for the back bumper so I can put it on. And then hopefully later today, he said he'll stop by George's shop and he'll help me put on the front one as well. I don't know how to put them on, so he's gonna help me put them on. But by the looks of it, you know, it's gonna be ready with the bumpers painted by for Sunday. You know, for the pop-up meet. Let's see how this goes, guys. Now I have to record on my GoPro for a little bit. That's why this last part it got cut off. My camera died. So I'm recording on the GoPro right now just for a little bit until my battery's charged. I forgot the spare batteries at the house, so I'll stop by the house later and pick those up. But for now, I mean, the good thing I have the GoPro with me in the truck, so I'll record with this for right now. And like I was saying, right now we're on the way to Chelo's house to pick up the not Chelo's house, my bad. Chelo's shop to pick up the bumpers, and then go buy some clips that I need to put on the front and back bumper. And then I guess I'll go back to the shop and I'll attempt to put them on myself, but I probably won't be able to, so I'll probably just wait until the afternoon until Chelo gets out so he can go help me. Just stay tuned, guys. This weekend is gonna be really cool. You know, we'll have our first pop-up meet junto con Jose Leo and with my crew, ZMP. Like I said, this video should be up by tomorrow, Saturday afternoon. So while y'all watch this, Sunday is the meet. Stop by Volcan parking lot. Everybody knows where Volcan is at. All the cuz know where Volcan is at. It's right across from the food town on Little York and 45. Stop by. It should be a pretty good meet. Static Leo, OBS Candy, Lopez Micheladas, Cholita Micheladas, Carne Seca El Mani, Mariscos Los Gorras. A lot of nice little vendors are gonna be there, so you can't miss out. But anyways, I'm gonna start driving because it's raining and it's really ugly. It gets flooded in the north side quick, so I don't wanna hit a puddle of water and lose control or something. So just keep watching, guys. Amigo.
Yes, sir. We're back.
I'm outside.
Ok, ya está. Pásele, oiga, pásele para que empiece a rapear tus presents.
¿Eh?
Que le pases, digo, para que empieces a rapear tus presents.
Oh, pero es que el león, me va a atacar el león.
No, hombre, ese güey no hace nada, primo. Sáquenle el chile y se emociona.
Ok, güey.
Ahí le dices, lobo, es lobo, güey. Y si te quiere nomás, pateale, güey. Así como que le vas a correr y se espanta.
Oh, lobo, no león.
Sí, es lobo.
Ok, ahí voy.
Vaya pues.
Ahora.
Chéqueme. Ahora, cierro para irte. Los días, bye.
Let's go look for Chelo, see what he's doing.
Señor Bimbo. Hola.
¿Estás hablando solo como loco, güey? ¿Dónde está Lobo, Lobito?
No es lobo.
Ya se peló.
¿Dónde lo tiraste, lobo? Ahí está lobo, mira.
Chelo just got to the shop. Oh man, it got cold. We're gonna reorganizing some trucks real quick, moving some trucks. Then I'll pull the SS clone up to the front so we can start putting the bumpers on. She's gonna look good. ¿Nosotros se carga, primo? ¿Qué rines se carga?
No vale ver, yo decía,
No, que quieras salir en los videos, que para que comentes, que no sé qué.
La pena, güey. Le gusta el pelo.
¿Que te gusta? No.
Es que ya no me grabo, güey.
¿Que te gusta qué, dice?
No te gusta el pelo.
So guys, we finished putting on the bumpers on the truck last night, but it was way too dark for the GoPro to even, the GoPro doesn't have flash on it, so and I can't adjust the brightness on it, so I really couldn't get a good picture of how the truck looks with the bumpers. So right now I'm pulling up to where I got the truck at, and I'm gonna give y'all one last little walkthrough on how the truck looks, with the bumpers already painted and installed. It looks, pretty clean for me, like for my liking, to be honest. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. The only part I didn't like about it was the back bumper. Like I told you, the bumper is aftermarket. It's made out of fiberglass. Whoever made it went a little cheap with it, and it's a little crooked. We tried to straighten it out the most we could, but oh well. But like, here we go. See, this side's pretty straight. It's okay. And when we get to this side, no, that's a big no. Yeah, that looks ugly. It's nasty. I don't like it. But for now, it'll do. So I'm able to buy an OEM one, which is gonna be kind of hard to find. And then, but look at the front one. But yeah, we had pizzas last night anyways. There it is. Now the front end looks really good. The back bumper's gotta go. I'm gonna have to If anybody has a back OEM bumper for sale, hit me up. I mean, this one will do for now, I guess, just to get it rolling. But this is gonna be the end of the video, guys. Come out tomorrow to our pop-up meet. I'll post a picture of it on here. I'll post a picture of our flyer on here. Come out tomorrow, Sunday. The video will be up today, so come out tomorrow, Sunday, to our pop-up meet and have some fun with us. It'll be from 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. All right, guys, I'm out.